Here is the beautiful black dining set from Best Choice Products. My husband and I, we've had it for about 1.5 years now. We got it back around the time when we got married, and we have absolutely loved it. It's held up super well too. It's very durable, it's easy to clean. It has a great size. It fits very well in our space here, and it manages to be compact and yet super effective for our needs. Here's a closer look at how it is. Here is the frame. It's definitely very sturdy. The glass on top is very nice as well, very chic. And then we've got the chairs over here, which are very nice. I'd say the chairs are one of my favorite parts about this whole thing. They are super pretty and they are super comfortable as well. My husband and I, we didn't have any trouble putting them together. We have absolutely loved them. They've got this pleathery type of material. It's such a nice set. We could not recommend this dining set more highly, and we hope that we have it for multiple more years to come. It is an excellent set, and I'll give you a few closer looks here just of some of the bits and bobs of it. So here's what holds the chairs together. My husband and I had a fun time putting it together, and it's very easy as well. And again, here's some more of the frame. It's very nice. It's super easy to clean as well. We've even had our cat who liked to hide down under there at one point for a while. Overall, it's a great dining set, and we would highly recommend it.